Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually add basic applications to your Shopify web store. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser. Now from there go to the Shopify website and sign into your existing account. Now from there we go to the left of our screen where the apps tab appear. Simply press it and search for the application that you would like to install. Now here you have all the recommended apps, as you can see right here, and here you have the Shopify App Store. Now inside the Shopify App Store you have a load of options to choose from popular stores like TikTok for instance, or stuff like Guide to discount and add free gifts. Now let's say I want to download Guide. Now simply press it. From there, the application opens up. Now simply press install. This will open up the Shopify website once again. And here you see the progress of the installation. Now simply press install. Here you see what it's used for. And once you press install, the application will automatically install, as you can see in the top of your screen. And once the progress has fully done, here you can start the application by simply press let's get started, and here you can choose the setup guide for the following app that you've just downloaded. Now here you see all the applications on your current website, and as you can see here are all the apps. Now if you want to go to the settings of all the applications, simply press app and sales channels settings. Now this will open up all the installed apps on your store, and as you can see here is the guide that we just installed. Now if you want to actually uninstall it, simply head to the guide application, hover over it, and here you have the uninstall button. Now from there you can press uninstall, and that should be about it. Now, if you still get any other questions related to this tutorial, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.